Welcome to the Prepped and Polished podcast, the podcast that empowers you to take control of your education, featuring weekly interviews with influencers in the world of education, as well as tutoring tips, lessons, and updates. And now, here's your host, Alexis Avila.
This is episode 157, our tutoring tips episode. Make flashcards for these 4 SAT chemistry topics. Hi everyone, it's Alexis Avila of Prepped and Polished. Go to preppedandpolished.com or call us at 781-753-9951 for your tutoring and test prep needs. And go to our site, preppedandpolished.com, to access our podcast and blogs and to sign up for our tutoring and test prep tips newsletter. If you have a question during or after this podcast, email us at radio@preppedandpolished.com. We love hearing from you. Let's get right to today's episode. It's 157. Make flashcards for these 4 SAT chemistry topics. So I'm going to give you the 4 essential topics that you should make flashcards for when studying for the SAT Chem subject test. Topic 1 is descriptive chemistry. You're going to need to know some common characteristics for common elements from at least the first 3 periods, and then heavier elements like gold and lead. So for these elements, you'll need to know things like state, color, reactivity, and common uses. So on one side, you want to write the element, and on the other side, some of these descriptive states like state, color, reactivity, and common uses. Topic 2, flashcard topic, is you want to make sure you write out your solubility rules. So these are so essential. So like on the front of your flashcard, you want to write your rule, and on the back, you can write your exceptions to the rules. So that would help you tremendously. Topic 3 is your functional groups from organic chemistry. So this includes your amines, amides, and alcohols. So write or draw the structure on the front of the flashcard, and then on the back, you're going to write the name, and then you're going to write any common reactions that you've studied. And the 4th topic that you want to write out for your flashcards is formulas and trends. So formulas are really important to memorize because you won't have them on test day. So when we take a formula, we're going to write the formula on the front of the flashcard, and on the back, we're going to write its name and something about when to use it, or something that explains the symbols that are used inside of it. And here's a bonus tip. Be able to remind yourself to study backwards and forwards for all your flashcards. This way, you'll get the most bang for your buck and make sure you know them really well for test day. So this wraps up our show. It's episode 157, Makes flashcards for these 4 SAT chemistry topics. Be on the lookout for our next podcast episode, 158. It's our next tutoring tips episode. Remember to access all of our podcast episodes. Go to preppedandpolished.com/podcast. Thanks for joining us on the Prepped and Polished podcast. Now go out there and take control of your education.
You've been listening to the Prepped and Polished podcast. For more information, check out preppedandpolished.com. Also, you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for listening. Class dismissed.